really strong and really supported in the posture, and really, I would say at full extension. She's fully in. Now you hear the breaths really good, and try not to kind of reach too far forward. Try to get that spine to grow straight out of the sacrum, so it's literally going straight up. Then take a nice breath in, and we'll take that right hand to the sky, and we'll put a little extension on the right side of the rib cage. The left hand can come behind the back or take the back thigh. You can look into your palm here for your peaceful warrior, but then take a nice full breath in. As you exhale, bend the right knee and bring the right forearm to the right thigh. The left arm forward and over the ear for side angle. Now, I know both Mary and Susan probably have a bind here, other things they like to add on to it. So I certainly offer that to them today, really just to kind of add the things to their practice that feel appropriate for them. And you see they're noticing they're taking the bind. Think of rolling that left shoulder back and really pressing the back into the right thigh and the right thigh into the back. We'll take one more breath in here, one more breath out. Then take a full inhale, frame the front foot. As you exhale, step back, drop the knees lower down. Inhale into your up dog or your cobra, pull that chest up and through. Exhale into downward facing dog. You can also take child's pose here too. Remember, that's always going to be your substitute. Since she's taking the child's pose, and it's just the three of us today, I like to provide as many assists as I can because, I can do the yoga practice on my own. I know how to do it. But